What's up, YouTube? It's your boy M.O.D. on your TV, cell phone, or tablet, whatever, it don't matter. What matters is I don't condone any of these actions done by any of these motorcyclists. But what I do condone is when you're at your house, home, apartment, place, whatever it is, in your car with nothing to do, it's okay to watch content like this, motorcyclists fleeing and reacting with me, yours truly. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. We're going to enjoy it together. I haven't watched it yet, of course, rightfully so. So let me get myself out the way. Introduce the title, and let's get busy. Motorcycle chase turns into a high-speed escape, ends in a crash. So we got a crash test dummy. You heard that? I like seeing ones with the crash test dummies. But yeah, let's go ahead and play this video. State Boys. Shout out to State Boys, Georgia. So this in Georgia. You see? There we go. That's an old school bike too. That's like maybe a
1080.
Early 90s. I'll say, ooh. Yeah, I see why he crashed out.
It starts with a simple radio call. 1080. A white motorcycle, red shirt, black helmet. But within seconds, this routine stop turns into a full-speed pursuit, tearing through Cameron Mill and toward the lake. A rider weaving through traffic. Officers locking in. No room for hesitation now. One wrong move, and this becomes catastrophic.
1080 where
that's right.
Road with a white motorcycle coming towards 219. White mill, red shirt, black hat, black helmet.
They ain't said what he did. They just called it in.
684, 684.
Look like you know how to ride.
On 219. Clear left, clear right.
Is that the same?
Straight
The
on
same
Cameron.
stop sign? The same car?
Cameron Mill.
I'm not tripping.
684 GSP dispatch on 1080 Cameron Mill with a motorcycle heading towards the lake coming off 219.
GSP 1080 on Cameron
Coming up to the lake.
Maybe he can't ride as good as I thought. Because he's taking on both lanes. Yeah, when you're on a track, you want to take up the whole road. So you look at like the whole road in the regards on a public road, but
passing Cameron Point Drive.
that's on roads that's people go to, like Tail of the Dragon,
Wrong side of the road.
where they're looking out for you. Oh, well, I guess he can ride. He's just doing that. I don't know why.
Passing River Club Drive. We had Yellow Jacket here in this minute.
He ain't moving that fast, though, huh?
River Club Drive coming up on Yellow
I know why I keep switching gears. You should be in one gear, 6. Then again, an old school bike like that, the suspension
Old
ain't
Whitaker Road.
what it is today, where you can really set it up to your riding style. But it should still be at least an adjustable rear shock, if not the front forks. It's not dipping or nothing, so when he brakes, so it can't be that bad.
Passing Yellow Jacket.
No gear though, back all out. Oh look, can't brake. Oh yeah, and you back in the grass?
Now the suspect is brake checking and flirting with a possible push and bail. That is a dangerous tactic on a motorcycle. At these speeds, officers have to balance pressure with distance. Too close, and a crash is guaranteed. Too far, and he vanishes. Would you tighten the gap here, or hang back and wait for backup?
Crossing over the lake. Brake checked me just a second ago, and he may try to get off the push bump in a second. I don't know.
Yeah, if you ain't going in the first 30 seconds, 45 seconds a minute,
Negative on push bump. He
you
brake
probably
checked
ain't
me
getting
off
away.
the road a minute ago. I don't know if he's going to try to push bump. We're still 1080 passing Whitaker.
It has to be immediately and expediently.
Mine's the city of LaGrange. We're in the city limits on Cameron Mill, just past Whitaker.
Oh, I don't know how the city limit laws work, but I know how it works when you're on the wrong side of the road.
Just
You
about hit
tripping.
on the wrong side of the road.
It's like, well, there's a big roundabout with these big streets, you know, either you must have left a big roundabout down there that you did not do.
Typical.
Your residents are now in the city. They're in the city limits on your side.
Oh, I think she said there is a city limit policy restriction. Yeah, because I think when you go into another city, if you're not a trooper, you got to call off the chase if you don't get support or the get go
Coming up
or
Jackson Creek Drive.
the go.
Come up on Jackson Creek Drive. Yeah, they're chasing motorcycles.
Oof. See,
That's a Dale Drive.
you don't want to lean that bike for some reason.
I think Deal Drive. Creek Drive.
Maybe his lean angle is not that good. He's not comfortable. Because if it was, he would have been in his own lane doing that same speed, leaning comfortably. I got a feeling he's gonna clip the grass and crash out.
Country Club.
Oh, roundabout. Okay. So this is where it's gonna get good. Wrong way on the roundabout.
Straight through the roundabout.
Good roundabout.
Passing Pine Tree Drive.
Passing Pine Tree Drive. They're on path away now.
Okay, so he understands counter steer.
Coming towards downtown LaGrange on Country Club.
I just don't think he understands, or his skill level ain't that high when it comes to taking curves at a real high rate of speed. Or the bike could be the limiting factor. But I always place all of that on the rider himself. Yeah, he might as well be up on the sidewalk at this point.
Coming up the lane circle, coming up the roundabout downtown.
Oh, another roundabout.
Coming up on Lane Circle, coming up on the roundabout downtown.
Oh yeah, see? He's scared to lean that bike.
Burke Cross Street, coming up Vernon.
Coming up on Vernon.
Clear left, clear right. Straight on
He
Panther
risked
Way.
it all on that red light.
Coming up on Panther Way.
Taking a left on Red Street.
Taking a left on Ridge Street.
Clear left, clear right. Clear left, clear right. Clear left, clear right. Clear left, clear right. He's gonna push behind a second. South Greenwood.
South Greenwood Street, possible push on you.
Oh, he should have kept going up the hill while he dumped it. Through the helmet. Oh, bike still running. It's carbureted. Hold the bike. Oh, what, he pulled the gun?
And there it is, the classic bear hug. Motorcycle
Burke Cross Street,
abandoned.
coming up
Suspect
Vernon.
over a fence. This is where pursuits
Oh,
get
the fence.
adrenaline spikes, visibility drops,
Clear left,
and
clear
every
right.
shadow becomes a threat. Calling for K9.
Straight on Panther Way.
Yeah, he probably gonna
The risk shifts from
circle back
traffic to
around
close
and
quarters danger.
catch
Do
you.
you chase solo or wait for the perimeter to lock in?
It's right there. Hey! Hey!
I thought he hopped the fence. Why he ran back?
Hey! Deputy,
Did it.
go this way. Go look around. He's pushing that way. He's pushing around.
A few moments later.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Oh, they came to your house.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! All right. Get on the ground!
Arms out! I got him.
I got a left bad shoulder. I don't care what you got.
Out now!
Get your arms out!
Arms out!
I can't. I got bad shoulder.
Arms
Oh,
out!
bad shoulder.
Get
I
tape.
can't, buddy.
Arms out!
But he can't
Right
wait.
behind
He
your
went
back.
there and dropped something off?
Hand behind your back. Put it behind your
What y'all
back.
think he did?
Shoulder.
I can't. No.
Or maybe that's why he couldn't, he didn't want to,
219. We got
You're making those left turns.
South Lewis. What's that?
well, he was making that right. Yeah, I don't know. Probably can't. He's probably not a motorcycle rider like that.
You got a
You
knife
know what?
over there?
We got a knife. What else you got?
Not one unit, just be advised that the SO unit that's out there advised that there's a bunch of units around his patrol car.
That's clear.
That's clear, 1555.
No, he had to have something.
I thought it was a knife.
And he dropped it off at that house.
Man, you got such a bad shoulder. It ain't very smart to be running.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Don't make a whole lot of sense to me.
No,
I know that's right.
What's your name, man?
Fred.
Fred what?
Fred.
Fincher?
Fred Fincher. We got you, Fred.
No, he come right here. Come right through the front of this house right here.
See, they looking for something. You had to.
219. I got a ID card on there.
I wonder what Fred Fincher doing at this place.
Yeah. Yeah, he come right across the front right here.
A high-speed motorcycle pursued through city streets, a near head-on collision.
Hey, I ain't a cop, but I'm thinking like one, huh? He had that. So what you
This
hiding?
one shows the
Yeah,
balance
I know.
between aggression and control.
Y'all know y'all was thinking what I was
Smart
thinking. He had to hide something.
coordination and persistence brought it to a safe end.
Cause he
If you
running,
want more real-world pursuit breakdowns,
end up at a house
comment your take and subscribe.
just to give up.
What's up, bro? I heard you coming.
I know you will. What you running for, boss man?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
threw some dope. I go run the
Do
dog.
some dope. Oh, they about to get the dog
He ran a few months ago from the motorcycle.
What you want for?
on the motorcycle too. Oh, so he's a regular runner.
What'd you come right? Did
On
you
a
not see me in the
motorcycle.
woods? I was right behind
I
you.
saw Joker walking toward him. I said, no. That's you,
He
bro.
might be in motorcycles.
He was
All right.
in County a while back on motorcycle.
Fred Fincher
What do you do? Hit a vehicle down there? No, he's running that.
that smoked dope.
By the time you
Smell it
show
or
up,
something. They ain't saying nothing. They just speculating like us. Oh yeah, that's it. Let's wrap this up and talk about the moral of the story. Yeah, let's talk about it. I enjoyed it. I know y'all enjoyed it. At the end, it got real, you know what I'm saying? It got real intriguing because it definitely sparked my speculation of why you at the house. After you running. What you hiding? But anyways, his rider level skill, knowing now that he does it regularly, Mr. Fred Fincher, whatever. I say it's about a 5.6. Yeah, but anyways, thanks for watching with me. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Don't matter.
We have
Until
a
the next one.
motorcycle attempting to evade. He's in and out of traffic. I lost sight of him. We might need air support.